Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about what the public folder is. We see that this computer has 2 users and 1 public folder. So the public folder is available for all the users on that computer. It is available for all the administrator accounts and all the user accounts. So using the public folder is an easy way to share your files with other users on that computer. The public folder also contains some hidden folders. To view the hidden folders, you choose View and then you tick Hidden Items. To get a more easy access to the public folder, you can create a shortcut for that folder on your desktop. We see that there are now created a shortcut for that folder on the desktop. The public folder can also be shared with other devices on that local network. To change the sharing settings for the public folder, choose the Windows key and then type in Advanced Sharing. And then choose Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. Here we can change the sharing settings for private, for guest or public, or for all networks. But remember that the public folder always will be available for all the users on that computer. In this video we have talked about what the public folder is, how to view the hidden folders in a public folder, how to create a shortcut for the public folder to your desktop, and how to change the sharing settings for your public folder. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.